Hey guys, now this is another great open source project which is OpenCut, and it is a open source free video editor. And here you see they have written the open source CapCut alternative. You know that CapCut is a popular video editor, and now they have released the open source version. And this is their website opencut.app. You don't have to download this OpenCut. You can simply go to this website opencut.app and you can use it. And this also contains all of the features that is needed for editing a video, like captions generator and also text enter and cut split, all of the things. And here you see that I have generated a beautiful captions for my video. Most of the times you guys struggle and search that how to generate the captions, and here you see that I have generated beautiful captions with the help of this OpenCut. So let me play this video and you guys observe this portion. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to another new exciting video. Today I will introduce you with a new model which is Needle, and Needle is from the Cactus team. And so here you see that captions is visible, and also here you see they have generated the captions block wise. Now if I select one of the block, and this is the captions, now I can change the color, I can change the size. So let's say I am making it 15, and here you see, and if I do it 10, now this is a caption size, and also you can change the color. So if I make it this yellow color, you can change it, and you can also change the typography, and there are many typographies are available. Okay, and on the left hand side here you see there are some stickers, and also you can write the text. And also on the right hand side you will find some of the more information about the video, right? Like audio, and also the speed you can change, and you can change select the blending, and also you can add the mask. But one important drawback is that this is totally a limited version of the CapCut. So if you go to the main CapCut, here you see there are a lot of things. On the right hand side, when I have selected the video, there is a options for the video like scale and zoom, and also stabilize, reduce image noise, and also for the audio, and for the speed, and for the animation. Okay, and for the effect there are lots of built-in effects that are available, and also on the left hand side you see there are lots of variations for the sticker, for the transition, for the filter. There are lots of built-in filters and this transition, and all are available here, but that are completely missing inside OpenCart. That is one of the important drawback. Other than if you want to do some simple editing, then you can easily do it inside OpenCart. But whatever they are saying that it is an open source CapCut alternative, that is not 100% correct, because you will get more feature inside CapCut than the OpenCut. This is actually my understanding, my opinion. You also please check it and let me know what is your thought. You please share it in the comment section. Okay. Now also you can watch this video, thinking cap coin 3.6 27 billion. This is another powerful model with less thinking, and also faster and cheaper, but same intelligence you will get like the coin 3.6 27 billion. So if you found this video helpful guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.